welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda and today we're going to unbox a gymnastics mat. We've been sent this mat to try out and I'm going to show you a bit of gymnastics on it. Let's go.
So, the mat is in this box. We've got, which colour have we got, Matilda?
Rainbow.
We've got the rainbow colour, so hopefully we've got the multicoloured ones. It says that each one is 78 centimetres long, 40 centimetres wide and 16 centimetres deep. So I think there's probably 4 of them in there. What's that, Matilda?
And it's been sent from China.
Made in China, yeah. So it's 2.8 kilograms of weight and the mats weigh 2.35 kilograms. So we're going to open the box, check what's inside, and like Matilda said, we're going to go set it up so she can do some gymnastics. We'll do some inside, and then tomorrow morning we'll take it outside as well.
So we got it out of the box. It's got a carrier handle and I'm going to carry it downstairs to set it up. I'm going to unfold it now and set it up. It was really easy to set up and now I'm going to do some gymnastics. Get ready!
Okay, Matilda's done some gymnastics now on it inside. As I say, we'll do it outside. She's done about half an hour of gymnastics on it now. Do you think it's really comfy? Is it really nice and soft?
Yeah.
Yeah, super soft?
It's really comfortable to do gymnastics.
So, excellent. When you're putting your head down, does it make it nice and soft for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and is it easier than, or like more safe than doing it on the carpet?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And it's really good that it folds up. Obviously, you can fold it up into really nice for your storage. It's got a handle on it to carry around. Really, really, really good. So yeah, overall, really impressed. Okay, so just the last thing, just wanted to mention, just checking on Amazon at the moment, this is $44.99 on Amazon. You get it in the rainbow colours, which are really cool out there. You can also get it in forest colour, which is like the greens and blue and a grey. I think the rainbow's better, they're nice and bright.
Much better.
Much better. So yeah, $44.99 on Amazon. I think it does go up and down the price a little bit, but not much, so around that £45 mark. But I think that's really good value for money. It seems really well made in terms of the stitching around the outside where the foam is, and also the joins where it all joins and folds together looks really strong. The handle's really well stitched in, and the Velcro that's connecting it all together, that seems really strong as well. So $44.99, good value for money, and I think you'd probably get a few years out of it if you look after it and probably give it a clean. And it is wipeable, you can wipe it down if it gets dirty. So yeah, very impressed.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.